What is going on, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen? I've got a case. I'm excited about this case. Why? Because
I've been rocking my Galaxy S9 Plus bare butt naked.
now I don't play that game. I'm sorry, but I'm not balling that hard. I'm not balling with all them funds that I can rock this bad boy naked and get away with it. So I went ahead and got me a case that I'm excited about. A little bit different kind of case than what I'm used to getting. This is going to be the i-Blason, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's I and it's the word B-L-A-S-O-N. So that's a pretty popular, pretty familiar brand if you go on Amazon and search for cases for your smart device. And what they've got rocking here is the i-Blason Aries, something like that. Yeah, that's what they call it, A-R-E-S, I believe. So, like always, I'll leave that in the description below. But basically what makes this case special or better than some other cases is one, what you're getting in terms of case protection, and two, what you're getting for the price. Now, this is like an all-body kind of case. Think of it as like a what do you call them cases that people used to rock back in the day and probably still do? The ones that you can put your phone in, your iPhone in, and like drop it in water and all that crap and just survive everything. I don't know if this case protects against water, but basically it comes with a built-in screen protector. And you kind of snap your phone in and snap the case around. So let me go ahead and quit the rambling, show you how the case works, slap my phone inside, and then kind of give you a quick early on impression. I may come back with a second video on what I think about the case overall. But at least let's get what the case looks like, how the buttons function, so you guys know if it looks good, if it's solid or not. So ready? Here we go. 1, 2, and... Alright, so like I said, we've got the i-Blason. There it is for you. However you want to pronounce that, let me know phonetically below. This might be probably the first case I've owned from them. I got mad excited because I kind of like what this is doing. So, two pieces, right? Here is the built-in screen protector. Now, I don't normally rock this kind of case, so I don't know what to expect. This is the rear, kind of thick, but it's got your cutouts. Obviously, it's got this protective plastic on the back, and that's kind of how that rocks. So let me go ahead and peel the protective plastics off of both of these, and then I'll show you installing the phone, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I went ahead and wiped the phone off. Look how beautiful that looks. That's the coral blue. I apologize for the lighting, but yeah. Here's the front portion. Basically, you see the cutouts right there, so that's good. Sensors and volume rocker. There's no cutout at the bottom, don't need it, and I'm assuming we just slap that in, boom, boom. See, there's that. And then take the back portion and kind of, actually, I think it's the opposite way. I think the first thing you want to do, and see, that's why we're doing it on camera together. First thing you want to do is slap it in back first. Okay, yeah, definitely add some thickness, and then go ahead and try to fit the rest of the phone in. I guess just kind of working it around, maybe. I got one side in. There's two sides, kind of. The bottom's kind of in. And I'm doing this behind the camera, guys, so I apologize for that. And then just make sure everything is snapped all the way around. See at the bottom, it's not snapped yet. Boom, 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 snap, snap, snap. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see that, and I apologize for the big, this is the unboxing nail, okay? So before I get some hater comments, alright, that's the unboxing nail. So, everything looks like it's going to go as far as it's going to go. So you can like kind of wipe that down. Let's try the back here. Boom. That's rocking. when you touch the screen. Not that, like, so it works well, but you can hear the little bit of noise of the built-in screen protector touching your screen, right? So if anybody's ever used one of those, like, really cheap dot screen protectors, the tempered kind or whatever you want to call it, but it only kind of sticks on the edges, but then in the middle there's always the bubble or something, so when you're tapping or using it, it makes that noise. That's kind of how this sounds, except this sounds better, so it's not as bad, and it's already built in. So, I mean, that's perfect cutouts. Man, I really can't complain right now. Like, yeah, the phone gets bulkier, but, I mean, look, you've got some razivity for all my floss fans out there. You slap this on the table. Now, I'm not none of them slam boys. Like I said, I ain't balling hard to slam my phone, but your phone is not going anywhere. It's protected. Once you get a case like this, whether it's this or something else, your sensor is exposed better because your finger just naturally falls into that place better. The back is clear. They actually sell other ones with different color rims, I believe. So if this one doesn't like float your boat, I think this is just a black silver or titanium silver. But yeah, man, right now I ain't got no issues. Let's go on YouTube real quick. Connect to the internet. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that I'm not connected. All right, that's it, man. So, like I said, the i-Blason, Galaxy S9 Plus Aries case. Check out the link below. Let me know what you think, if you've rocked it, if you're going to rock it, or if you're rocking another phone with another case, or another case with another phone, whatever. Let me know. Hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button as well. I've got another case coming on. I don't know if I'm going to make a video for that case, but I'll probably definitely give some shout outs to those cases, or the cases I rock, when I definitely do my final review or something like that. So, like I said, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for a things to consider video coming up. I'm going to be talking about the battery life on this phone, because so far I am extremely impressed. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. Like always, the most important thing is to stay geeky. Peace, salute, and me and my cat, we out though. Ha ha!